G'day and welcome back. Today we're making a staple in any kitchen. A simple yet delicious vinaigrette to suit most homemade salads. And it's so easy to customize. For the salad, we'll be using a mix of mesclun greens, crisp cucumber, a little red onion, and some ripe tomatoes. The star of the show, however, is our homemade vinaigrette. We'll be using our garlic-infused olive oil, apple cider vinegar, Dijon mustard, and some simple seasonings. Now you can customize this recipe so easy by changing any of those ingredients and subbing with your favorites. For the vinaigrette, it's as simple as whisking together the oil, vinegar, mustard, salt and pepper. The key is to whisk vigorously to emulsify the dressing, or you can do what I'm doing by giving it a bloody good shake. Now we toss that simple salad with the vinaigrette, making sure everything is nicely coated. You want it glistening, but not drowned. And there you have it, a simple homemade vinaigrette, fresh, flavourful, and ready in minutes. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes.